afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, I'm from areBecause TV.
Oh, areBecause TV.
Yes.
Okay.
We are moving around interviewing people.
Okay.
To find out differences in regime. I guess in
Now regime can.
Okay, Bo.
yeah!
Regime.
Yes. Because
the one way there, say.
Look at that one. Regime.
You are a failure. You are a failure.
During
You can never
of,
make it.
Good luck and regime of Buhari.
Oh, good luck.
Yes.
Is it the one way be president or?
You be mumu.
The past president of Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
Oh, mumu not too much.
So, like, you have been carrying these glasses before. And up to now you're still carrying glasses.
Yes.
So I want to know, like before, how much were you carrying these glasses? And now,
you know, say everything don't add now. The time where you they talk, you say who be the first president?
Good luck.
Good luck, Jonathan. You know that time when we clear these cars like this, we fit collect 50,000 naira.
Oh, 50,000 naira.
Yes.
That's during good luck.
Yes.
Oh, that's fine.
You know now, this time,
No.
now 100,000 we they collect.
Wow.
Yeah! Everything don't add now.
It's not high.
Yes.
Okay. So now like this, currently in Nigeria,
Yes.
election is approaching.
2023 election.
Yes, 2023. Thank you.
Okay.
It's approaching.
Okay.
We have like 4 candidates that people know.
Okay, wait. For that Aso Rock, how many seats there for the Aso Rock?
Now 1 seat.
1 seat.
Yes.
So we have 4 people to go and sit down for the seat.
You be mumu. Okay, Bo.
I don't know now.
We have 4 candidates.
4 candidates.
Yes.
Okay.
But when one among them eventually win the election, you will go what they are the president representing the whole Nigeria.
Okay.
I get me. So we have like Kwankwaso, we have Peter Obi, we have Atiku, we have Ahmed Tinubu. So among of these people now, who do you think we better off or like?
Well, brother. You say you coming from areBecause TV.
Yes.
You know, sir, when they call that man Peter Obi win, we have a biggest picture. The car of them, pata. Tinubu no they stay for Nigeria. You get me? Tinubu no they stay for Nigeria. They stay for UK. You can see that video where they do exercise. So he want himself to come out of 2023 election. So car of them all, na Tinubu.